Hello. So, on my old channel, you guys seem to love this video. So, on my new channel, this channel, right here, I'm going to do it again. We are going to solve this. Yeah. Okay, actually, let's get started. So, what side should I start on? White. Then we'll start on white. I'm sorry, I'm just scouting where everything is. Yeah. Whoosh, whoosh. There we go. The cross. And now, let's see. Okay, that's the right one. Now, okay. I'll get that one later. What have I done? Where are you? Why are you all the way down here? What are you doing? Don't. Oh my gosh. Okay. You need. Let's see if you're right there. Then I need to. There. And now. Okay, halfway done. And now the next part is to. Okay, so we got one side, and then we got one row, which is called the top row. I haven't been on this website in ages. And so now we are going to try to get the entire middle row done while you keep the top row and the white side. And I will, here. It's actually quite a long process. Well, when you have a mouse pad, it's a very, very, very long process. I think I did something. Oh crap. Where is my white? Where are you? Why are you over there? What in the name of... Okay, that didn't work. I did something. Don't know what I did. Okay. Let me try this process. Boom. Okay, I didn't even show you. Okay. So, do you see this orange piece? And it's blue. I need this to go right there. And now, with 8 movements, I can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Check that out. Boom. Ba-na-na-na-na. Okay. I'm gonna do the rest of the middle row off camera.
I should get.
Da-na-na-na. Oh, wait. Oh. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Okay, see, look.
I know, right?
It's pretty sweet. Okay. And now, trust me on this, we're going to keep the white side, the top row, the middle row. Well, now we flip it over, so now this is called the bottom row. But now we're going to get the entire yellow side. It's going to be sweet. Okay. So first, let's see. Boom, we got a. Oh man. We are lucky. I was gonna do this off cam because it can take a while, especially when you have a mouse pad. But we got lucky. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What in the name of the world have I done? Okay. And now we're actually going to get everything to look like this, with 1, 2, and then a random middle. But our goal is to get one middle where that is the same color as that. Is that confusing or not? It shouldn't be. Okay, so what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to hold it like this, but then you have to go all the way back and mess with this. But I found a trick. Can't you just go like this and just move the top and that jazz? You know? Whoa, look at that. That's kind of cool. Okay, let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Bam. Yeah, look at that. Look at this. We're almost done. We're so close to done. Okay, let's see. Now, just need a little more. Ready? Boom, 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 boom. I did it. Well, I'm awesome. Of course I did it. Yeah, well, there you go. If you would like to see more videos like this on Grubix with different cubes, please leave a like and a comment. Subscribe, that would be very helpful and generous. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.